guys, so I got my hair from K Factory. Yes, I did, and I'm so happy that I did. Look at this. This is the Burmese curl here. Look how curly it is. You see how wavy is this curl? It's so nice. Look at that hair. And it feels so nice and silky, and it smells amazing. So that's a good thing. I can't wait to get it installed and try it. And this is the lace. Their lace, their transparent lace. Look at that. Right? Looks so good. Look at the back. It's nice and silky, and it's soft. Feels so good. I also got, this is the 20-inch loose curl, loose wave. Look at it. Looks good, feels soft. Make sure to get your hair from K Factory, because I'm telling you guys, this hair is so good. And don't forget to ask for Janine.